Hello and welcome to this lesson. This lesson is going to be teaching you how to install the WordPress plugin, and I'll be showing you how to install it and different kinds of plugin that you can use. So first of all, what is a WordPress plugin? Just the WordPress plugin as extra feature that is added to your website. So what are these extra features that you can add to your website? A very good example is an e-commerce feature whereby you can allow people to buy things online, pay money, and you deliver it to them. A very good example of this is like a Jumia website. You know, Jumia, you can buy something, or Konga, you can buy something on the site, you pay, and they deliver it to you. So there are plugins that are designed to do something like that. A very good example is a contact form. Let me show you one of these contact forms. This is a contact form where you fill your name. Maybe if you need to make an inquiry from mrlabi.com, you can go to his site and fill the inquiry, enter your name, enter your email address, phone number, subject, and message. Then you can send it. You click this button, send, and it goes to him. So all these things are achieved using plugins. We have another one which is called Elementor. Elementor is a page builder that gives you that functional, that give you that feature of the website. It's Elementor that I use to build this site. It's Elementor that I use to arrange the social media icon. It's Elementor that I use to enter this heading, all these text, the email, the phone number, and this address. These are the use of Elementor. So there are a lot of plugins anyway. So you can check more plugins when you start growing in the design space of WordPress. So let me head to my browser and show you how to install a WordPress plugin. So this is our dashboard. As you can see, I'm sure you're familiar with this dashboard. And for you to add a plugin, you come to the title here, either click on this or this button, add new, or this one. So I'll be using this one. Just click on it. It's going to load, and you're going to be welcome with this interface. You can search for the plugin you're looking for here. So let's say I'm looking for contact form 7. There are different type of contact form, but for the purpose of this practical, I'll be showing you how to install contact form 7, WooCommerce, and Elementor. I can click on install now, but what if I don't know much about this contact form 7? I can click on this more details, and it's going to show me a lot of information about this contact form 7, and I can decide to install it. And I can see screenshot of how it looks like. So this, okay, we have only one screenshot here, and you can click on install now. But what if you don't have internet access? And also for the purpose of this lesson, for this program, I know that most of you will not be connected, so we have created a folder that has some of these plugins. We have downloaded it and we have installed. We have copied the files on your desktop or on the laptop if you're using laptop. All what you have to do is to check that folder, and I'll show you how to upload it. Click on this button that says upload plugin and choose file. The moment you click on that choose file, it's going to open an interface for you. We have a folder called para training, and I have another folder called plugin. In this folder, you're going to find contact form 7. Once you click on contact form 7, click on open, and you'll be able to install now. So that's the same process that you're going to go through, this same install now. So the moment you click install now, you'll notice that it's going to take some seconds to load, depending on the network or how fast the computer is. So it's taking some seconds to load. It's unpacking, then it's installing. Yes, plugin installed successfully, and you can choose activate plugin, or you can decide to go back to the plugin installer. So let me activate it right now because I'll be using it later in our tutorial. So we are welcome to the interface once again. Earlier on, you notice that we had nothing on this. There was no plugin installed, but right now we have a plugin here. I want to add another plugin. I'm going to click this button here. I can also choose this one, but let me click on this one. So let's search for another plugin. This time it's going to be WooCommerce. Alright. I've searched for the WooCommerce, but I am not seeing the right WooCommerce plugin. That's because my spelling is correct. So you have to be careful of the spelling. I was expecting it to correct it or suggest it. Yes, as you can see now, this is the WooCommerce I'm talking about. Earlier on, we tried this upload plugin, but for the sake of those that are going to be using internet, let me try and use the online installer. So I'm clicking on it right now, the install. So it's taking some time, probably because I'm downloading it from the internet or from the main server itself. I'm not uploading it from the folder. Alright, so I'm encountering a challenge here. It's taking time to load, probably because of the local host and the internet. Maybe it's not flowing very well. So this is a local server and I'm trying to download something online. So it's not really working out. So let me try something else. So I'm going to WordPress.org. So this is where you can download all your plugins. For those of you that will be trying to download plugins, I'm showing you one of the ways for you to download plugins. So you come to the menu here that says plugins, and you can search for the plugin WooCommerce. Let's check this one. It's still installing, so there is a problem there. So let me go here and let me see if I have the WooCommerce here. I can't see the WooCommerce. My spelling is still wrong again. WooCommerce. Let me just copy the spelling from here. Yeah, so this is it. I have been spelling it wrongly. So I'm clicking on it and I'm going to download it to my computer. So you'll be finding this WooCommerce in the folder, the Quora folder I created. So you'll find it there and you can upload it. So this one said update failed. So we're going to use the first method we tried to choose the file. So it's still downloading. So you don't have to bother yourself about downloading it. I have copied it into the folder, so you're going to see it and you can upload it directly. But if you're having internet connection, you can try this process of coming to WordPress.org and search for the plugin name, download it and upload it. So it's going to be finishing right now. So let me click on add new again so we can start afresh again. Alright, click on upload plugin and you're going to be clicking on choose file. I'm just waiting for this to finish downloading. Alright, let's see if it has finished downloading. Choose file and come to my downloads. Yep, I have the WooCommerce here and I'm clicking on install now. So it's unpacking just like when we were downloading, when we were installing Contact from 7. It's going to unpack. So after unpacking, let's see the next message. So this one is taking some time.